My name is Han Gerritsen. I'm from the Netherlands. It's my third trip to China. This is the first time I'm here in this beautiful area. Our agent in the Netherlands told me that I absolutely have to visit this area because it's one of the most beautiful areas in the world. I've made a lot of trips here by e-bike and walking around. Today I have my first Tai Chi lesson and I'm looking very, very forward to it, to learn it from a real master in Tai Chi. It's a lot controlling your body, and I've learned there are three special things. Here your hips are important and your shoulders and your elbow. When I'm back in Netherlands, I want to do this. So it was a surprise that we can practice it here in this surrounding with the mountains and a real master. It's so different than when you do it at home.
We've been doing tour guiding for many years. Tourism has been developing, including hotel business, restaurant business, and scenic spot. It's getting more and more. About 90% of our customers are Westerners. So the foreigners come to visit here. They can enjoy both the scenery, also the culture.
Everyone is very friendly, and we see a lot of beautiful things. It's clean. The air is healthy, and it all look clear and nice. I've seen a lot of places in Europe and outside Europe, and this place is unique.